don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow. Welcome back to my channel. It's AminaJawhara here with another beauty video for today. I'm going to show you guys how I slicked my natural hair into this bun and how I made my bun appear much bigger than it really is. You know, just a few tricks, a little hack here and there. Yeah, so make sure you keep watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like me, because like I like you, so you should like me, because if I like you, that means you like me. Duh. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see how I slick this thing up. Yeah. Alright, so boom, let's get into it. So first, I detangle my natural hair and I define my curls a little bit. You ever just look at your hair and be like, wow, shrinkage is really something else? That was me right here. But yeah, this is just what I chose to do today. I don't really do this on a regular. I just want to get nice curls in my bun. So I take a scrunchie and I throw that thing up, because right now we're going to be training our hair to go up. Like, we have to direct our hair on what's going on today, because you know, hair has a mind of its own. Sometimes you got to tell sis, like, listen, we're going up today, okay? Like, get with the program. So I take my brush and I get a little bit of water and conditioner and I brush this thing up. And again, I'm just doing this so I can tell my hair what's going on today, because again, hair has a mind of its own, okay? Like, and I'm brush out my edges a little bit, so again, I could train my edges like, hey, we outside today, like, you know? So I'm just brushing and brushing, taking some gel now to mold the back. But then I decided to comb out my ends so that I could get a more fluffier look. My hair was still a little damp, so yeah, I just decided to comb out my ends so I could get a nice fluffy bun. And so that it was easier to like slick up, because the back of my hair, ooh child. This is the gel I use. Now I'm really molding it up. Just putting it all over so that I can get my brush now. And again, direct sis to go up. Like, we up and we stuck today, okay? Okay. Now I'm gonna try to gather my hair so I could get a good ponytail, figure out like how high I want it. But I'm definitely going for a super high bun today. A little obnoxious kind of bun today. Is anybody good at like getting the back? Like, I'm not really good at slicking it back there. I really try, and I'm getting a little better, but yeah, that's what I was doing there. That little bump just be, whew, you see, look how she act. Look at her, embarrassing. But yeah, now it is time to get the pony going. I don't feel like I have to explain how to do a ponytail. If you don't know how to do a ponytail, you're mad childish. Like, you gotta grow up. I did have a friend in high school that did not know how to put her hair in a ponytail. Like, literally did not know how to do it. I really hope that she knows how to do it now, because we're mad old. I was praying this scrunchie did not pop, child. Look at me. Embarrassing. But we made it. Boom. Period. So now I am again brushing my edges out, because we outside today, edges. And I'm brushing back, you know, whatever little flyaways in the front I have. It's usually not the front of my hair that's the hard part. It's always the back. The back really be trying my patience. So again, I'm just molding the front now. Pretty much doing the same thing. Now I'm getting a scrunchie and I'm just wrapping my hair around in a bun. You can do this however you want to do this. It's really the next step that's important. You can even keep it like this if this is your vibe. But again, I was going for a more obnoxious look. So I'm just fluffing it out, trying to mold it, seeing how I want it. Okay, she's giving. But you also want it to stay that way. So I take a scrunchie and put it in the middle of my bun, so it's like boom. Stretch it out a little bit so that the bun will stay the way that I want it to stay and appear bigger, period. Still fluffing her out, you know, creating a shape that we like or whatever. So now again, I'm brushing out my edges again. I know my edges are like, sis, what are we doing? What are we doing today? But honestly, I don't know. Like with me and doing my edges, I have to like figure out what I want to do. So I use this edge control. I think it's called She's Bomb. Yeah, I use that edge control and I put it all over my edges. It's a pretty good edge control. She does, you know, what she has to do. And I just put it all over my edges before I figure out how I want to style them. Because this is another thing with my edges. Some days I'm like, oh, I want to do dramatics. And my edges are like, we're not doing that today. And some days I'm like, I want to do it chill. And my edges are like, well, we're doing dramatic today. So we'll see what this is giving. So now I'm just slicking them. Trying to figure out what's tea. I would like never do an edge tutorial, like never, because again, my edges have a mind of their own. Like they do not listen to me, like at all. They literally do not listen to me. And you know what it is too? I feel like this is more recent because if you've been watching my other videos, you know my edges came out, or like I don't want to say they came out. They like broke off. So this is like new hair that's coming in. And sis is like, yeah, I'm new here, but I make the rules. Like, all right, girl. Like, okay, relax. So I'm still trying to figure out, like, I don't know, how to train my new edges or whatever. Like, I'm just going for it. I'm like, I don't know. What do you want to do today? You tell me. Because some days I will really fight with my edges. Like, listen, this is what we're doing today. And some days I'm like, you know what? You got it, sis. My edges are literally like my life. Some days life got me. And some days I got life. But today's like my edges got me. So now what I do is I take a gel and I put it on top of my edges. I do this with any edge control just because I don't feel like edge control does enough for me personally. I need like that extra like we ain't going nowhere vibe, and I feel like gel does that. So even sometimes I do edge control, then gel, then another layer of edge control. Like I really be ODing. Like that's probably not good for your hair, but hey, here we are. So now I'm just, you know, brushing the gel in so we could really get that hold. And I am just messing up my bun. Not really messing it up, but a little bit. So since I did mess up my bun, I got a scrunchie and decided to mold it a little bit more. And, you know, again, fluff it out so it don't look too weird. And yeah, here we are. Now we're gonna wrap her down, slick it down, and I will be back to show y'all the final results. And this is the final look. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you learn how to, you know, slick it up and, you know. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and all that. All the products I use will be linked down below because I feel like I didn't really show them that good, or maybe you guys just couldn't see them that good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment and subscribe. Yeah. Boy, I don't know.